Hi, I'm Tammy with Empower Hypnosis and Healing. I'm also a yoga instructor. Today I'm going to show you my favorite pose, which is called Dancer. So to get into Dancer, you are going to start with one knee bent. You're going to bring this foot back. I'm going to show you two versions. The first version, arm comes up, inhale as you bend forward. Bringing the foot up and back. You can turn the hand and back to come into a deeper pose. Coming down now, I'll show you the more advanced version. This version is a little bit tougher to get into. It took me years to learn it, so be careful with this version. There's a movement in the shoulder that you want to be careful of. So any pain, just stop. So you're going to start with your foot back here, and what I do is I grab my foot like this. I grab it on the outside with my right hand, okay? And you're going to want to bend forward. The more you can bend forward, the better when you move your shoulder into this position, okay? Roll the shoulder, then reach up and grab the foot with the other hand, and there you have it. This is the full version of Dancer. So, those are the two variations of Dancer. Thank you for watching.